Hey, what's going on everyone? In today's video I'm gonna be unboxing the brand new LG K62. Let's start with the unboxing. Okay, here we have the LG K62. We also have some information right here. We have a 6.6 inches display, quad camera, 4 gigs of RAM, and the phone comes with 128 GB internal storage. It also has a Google Assistant button on the side. Now let's see what we have in the box, which accessory comes with this phone. Okay, here we have the paperwork plus the tool to remove the SIM card. So it also comes with the case. It's a rubber case. Here we have the charger adapter plus the lightning cable, Type-C lightning cable. And here I think we have the headphone. Oh, that's amazing. Yes, it comes with the headphone too. Nice. Now let's see the phone. Let me remove this plastic so we can see it better. And here we have the LG K62. Wow, it looks amazing. It has 4 camera, dual flash. Honestly, this phone looks really amazing. Now let's talk about the screen. This phone offers 6.6 inches plus 180 by 2400 pixels resolution display. In this side we have the power button, the other side we have volume up, volume down, and we also have the Google Assistant button right here, plus the memory card, SIM card tray. Right on the bottom we have the speaker, the Type-C charging port, the mic, plus the 3.5 headphone jack. Now let's talk about the cameras. This phone has 4 cameras. The main camera offers 48 MP, that is amazing. The other camera offers 5 MP ultra wide. The other camera 2 MP macro, and it also has a 2 MP depth camera with dual LED flash. Here we also have the surface and video calls camera that offers 28 MP and a 4000 mAh battery capacity. Now let's start with this phone setup. Let me turn it on. Okay, here let's choose English, then next, skip for now, next, skip anyway. Just wait a second. Okay, now here, next. Use location, let me turn off all those settings right there, and then accept. Here we have the action to set up the phone lock, no thanks, next, skip anyway, just wait a second, I agree and I agree, more, and next. So here this is news, legal document for customized service. Okay, I'm 16 years old or older. So let me go with that one and done. The phone is already set up. And now you can use your phone. So this is how we look, you see? I'm gonna be making another video about this phone. I'm gonna make the review video. If you are interested to know all the features and all that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification. And that's it for now guys. If you got any question about this phone, please let me know. See you in my next video.